Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Netflix on all devices. Maybe someone in your family shared your Netflix account information with someone you don't want to use it, or maybe you logged in with your Netflix account on someone else's device and they're using it without your permission. Regardless of how it happened, other people using your Netflix account can result in you not being able to watch shows on your own account. If you find yourself in this situation, one thing you can do is change your account password and sign out of Netflix on all devices, forcing anyone using your Netflix account without your permission to have to enter the new password. I'll link to a separate video below that will show you how to change your Netflix password. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to sign out of Netflix on all devices. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to netflix.com, and then log into your account if prompted. You'll arrive at your Netflix home screen. Step 2. Click your Netflix profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu appears. Click Account in the drop-down menu. The account window appears. Step 3. Scroll down to the Settings section and then click Sign out of all devices in the list of options. A Sign out of all devices window appears. Step 4. Click Sign out. You'll be returned to the account window, where you'll now see a message at the top of the window that says you've been signed out of Netflix on all devices. It may take up to 8 hours for you to be signed out of Netflix on all associated devices. After you're signed out on a particular device, you'll be prompted to re-enter your account password the next time you try to access Netflix. Congratulations! You now know how to sign out of Netflix on all devices. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.